Margo, I wanted to ask, what makes an enterprise organization ready for Agile practice? How can the organization prepare and mature their Agile practices?
No matter what changes are being introduced, success rates will be higher if there's organizational consensus and leadership buy-in. Another area that is especially critical is choosing the right key performance indicators or KPIs. For instance, using velocity as an indicator for a traditional waterfall style project would not necessarily give the right information to the organization, much like using an on schedule to reference an ongoing Agile project that has no defined end date. So many organizations may try to keep their old KPIs, but then just change the process. And if the metric never matches the work being done, and it can cause confusion on the actual success of the changes being made.
Great insights. Thank you.